Dear friends, welcome to Everyday Life Lab. We'll first cover an outline of today's discussion. Before that, please note that fact table contains only numerical columns like quantity, sales, profit, etc. and key columns such as date ID, product ID, region ID, etc. that are used to link with the dimension tables. On the other hand, dimension table contains all descriptive columns such as product, category, region, month name, is, weekend, and year, etc. Right? And now we'll go through the steps involved in creating a fact table. Step 1. Import the source file and dimension tables from the data source. Step 2 is to duplicate the source file and rename it with the name that fits the table. By the way, the key point here is it's a better practice to work on copies to minimize the risk and maintain project integrity. So ensure that the original files are kept unaltered. Now going to step 3, create key columns. Click on Home, Merge Queries and select the desired dimension table. Join the two tables by selecting the common columns. Expand the newly created column, deselect all the columns and select the desired column from the list. Rename the column that fits the context and repeat this process to connect all the other dimension tables. And now remove all the descriptive columns from the fact table. And step 4 is to validate the data types of the columns to ensure its consistency. And step 5, click File and close and apply. In the previous session, we saw how to import data tables from the data source and create a fact table. Now, we shall proceed with constructing the fact table. Click Home and select Merge Queries. Now select the date dimension table. We'll keep the default selection as it is. Left outer, all from the first, matching from the second. Let it be. Select order date from the fact table and full date from the date dimension table. Once you click OK, you'll find a new column inserted in your fact table. Click the column header, deselect all the columns and select only the key column. Now you can rename it as date ID. Renaming it to date ID. Now we are going to repeat the process for connecting the product dimension table. Select Home, Merge Queries, select the product dimension table and select the common column product from both the tables and press OK. The new column has been created. You can deselect all the columns and select only the product ID, which is a key column. Now you can rename the column header as product ID. And repeating the same process for region table. Click Home, Merge Queries, select the region dimension table, select region column from both the tables, press OK. Now the connection has been established and select the column header, deselect all the columns and select only the region ID, which is the key column, and press OK. Now you can change the column name as region ID. We'll select all the descriptive columns from the fact table and remove it. Just select all the columns, right click and select Remove Columns. Now we can arrange the columns in a structured manner. We can click File, Close and Apply. Here we can see that all clean dimension tables and fact tables along with the source file are being loaded. In the upcoming session, we'll proceed further structuring the star schema and creating measures. If you find my channel useful, please subscribe Everyday Life Lab, share this video and press the bell icon so that you'll receive all the notifications of my upcoming videos. Understanding one concept clearly is better than memorizing many. Keep going. Until then, take care and have a happy learning journey. Bye.